Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to use protected PTO at Walmart. So first of all, you have to tell your manager or supervisor as soon as possible. Just request your time off through the global time and attendance portal. So you'll have to go to this portal right here, and then the system does the rest depending on the reason you select. So as you can see, if you choose sick or other, it will use protected PTO first. So this one that we are talking about. So your absence will be authorized even if you aren't able to request it before your absence, as long as you've got enough protected PTO to cover it. If you run out and don't have enough, your regular PTO will be used to pay the rest, but you won't be absence protected for the portion of your time away covered by the regular PTO. So you have to be sure to understand your facility's attendance policy. So if you choose any other reason, you will dip into your regular PTO hours instead. So as you can see, you have to choose SIG/other. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.